Welcome to Exploring Nature with Grandma Carol. My name is Carol McCoon, and I've been playing outdoors in the forests and fields since I was a very young child. This first video is more for parents and teachers who are searching for good programs for their children and students. My mother was a botanist, and she was a Girl Scout, so even though she grew up in the city, she loved being out in nature. And she wanted to teach me and my brother and sister all about the names and the functions of all the different plants and animals around us. I grew up in Connecticut for my first 7 years, and our house was in the middle of the forest. You could barely see one house through the forest. The only other house nearby was down the road and around the corner. But we had trails through the woods, and we had old stone fences that were created by the early farmers in Connecticut. And you could walk on top of the stone fences for a very long distance. And you wouldn't get lost. All you had to do was turn around and take that same stone fence all the way back home. Well, when I was 12 years old and was living in the area of Rochester, New York, I really wanted to know more about plants. I bought my first book, the Herb Book by John Lust, with my babysitting money. This book is particularly good because it explains all the different aspects of plants that you need to know in order to be able to identify the plants. It's very important to identify plants accurately so you know that it's the right plant and it's safe to pick and maybe even to taste, maybe even to use for a tea. Well, I also had my mother's books of plant and animal identification that I was always studying. Then I became a teacher, an elementary teacher, and I decided I wanted to learn about being a Montessori elementary teacher. And in this kind of classroom, you have grades first, second, and third all together. And sometimes I had first grade through fifth grade all together in one classroom. We were always doing experiments to understand the world around us, the physics, the chemistry of the natural world. And I even encouraged my students to explore their books and books we had in the classroom so they could learn whatever it was they wanted to know. Well, not only was I a teacher, but I was a Girl Scout leader. And since I only had sons, I was a Cub Scout den mother. Being a Cub Scout den mother and loving nature, I had a principal role in developing summer camps for the boys. And of course, my role at camp was to teach the boys about nature. And not just the plants and animals around us in the forest, but also the deeper understanding that we are part of nature. And it is our responsibility to care for and protect the world around us for generations to come. Now that I'm retired from teaching and have 5 grandchildren, I decided to make videos of the things I know about plants and birds and animals and the stones around us. And I thought perhaps other children might enjoy these videos too. So here is the YouTube channel for children of all ages and parents, for families to use together to learn more about the natural world and our place in it. I also have a website where you can look at the videos and see the list of books that I've used through the years for teaching nature to children. And then there's also my email address that I want you to have as parents and teachers in case your children and students have questions and would like me to speak about something very specifically that they are interested in. I hope you have a lot of fun exploring nature with your children and your students. This is Carol McCoon saying goodbye for now. Thank you.